Namaskar. Today you will know about a wonderful organization that is known as RSS.
नमस्कार. Full form RSS is राष्ट्रीय स्वयंसेवक संघ. RSS is the largest voluntary organization all over the world.
RSS was founded by Dr. Keshavram Baliram Hedgewarji.
It was organized in 1925.
It was Vijayadashmi.
RSS is a well-known organization at present.
It has 5 to 6 million members now. RSS organizes Shakha.
The dream of RSS Hindu Rashtra.
There is a Mukhya Shikshak in Sakha.
The prayer of Sangh. Namaste Sada Vatsale Matrbhume.
Shakha inculcates discipline in its Swayamsevak.
We sing a patriotic song daily. The uniform of RSS is white shirt and khaki pants.
RSS followed discipline.
Bhagwa is a symbol of sacrifice.
The flag of the king.
We discuss about Hinduism in our Shakha.
You are all equal in Sanghsthan. The main motto of RSS is Hindutva.
Its flag is Bhagwa Dhwaj.
Its agriculture wing is Bharti Kisan Sangh.
The parts of dress, sword, cap.
As you know, RSS has done a lot of work in every field. It has a lot of wings.
It political wing BJP. Its educational wing is Vidya Bharati.
Its students wing is ABVP.
Its Hindu wings is Vishwa Hindu Parishad.
BJP joined of RSS 1980.
RSS is doing a lot of social work in every field of life.
ISS the first संचालक was Keshavrao Baliram Hedgewar. He was a doctor.
Second Sarsanchalak was Guruji.
He was a great scholar and he was a professor in a BHU.
The full name of Madhavrao Sadashivrao Golwalkar.
Many persons became the Sarsanchalak of RSS. At present, Mohan Rao Bhagwat ji is the Sarsanchalak of RSS.
The organic mantra ISS is Shakha. In Shakha, they focus on fitness, physical fitness, and yoga.
RSS help in Indian Army.
RSS will complete 100 years in 2025.
RSS is the largest Sangh of India.
Now this is the biggest organization in the world, and in 2025 we are going to celebrate 100 years of RSS, and that will be a great occasion.
ISS is present time Sah Sanchalat Dattatreya Hals Bole. In starting, RSS was started by few members. There were only 5 members, and currently we are having more than 57,000 members in RSS.
RSS help in during Corona time. It's provide mask, medicine, oxygen, etc.
In RSS has more than 1 lakh branches in all over world.
Many people joined in RSS.
It took a long time to grow RSS because the good works does not spread easily, and this is the thing that we have known from RSS.
Shakha Karwa responsible Shakha activities. The educational wing of RSS Vidya Bharati is running more than 30,000 schools all over India.
1927, Hedgewar organized officer training camp.
There is a many Sarsanchalak in RSS, and that first Sanchalak is a Hedgewar, and second one is a Guruji, and third one is a Balashab Devras, and fourth one is a Rajju Bhaiya, and fifth one is a Hedgewar.
Provide the job.
Sorry. And fifth one is a Mohan Bhagwat.
Provide the job many pupils of Vidya Bharati.
Sometimes there was confusion regarding RSS, and it was banned by the government, which was not for the good health of the nation.
आरएसएस हरिगढ़ विभाग प्रचारक मिस्टर गोविंद जी
RSS has provided many famous politicians, such as we know our Prime Minister is from RSS, Mr. Narendra Modi.
RSS banned 1948.
In RSS, there are many posts: सर संचालक, विभाग संचालक, प्रांत प्रचारक, विभाग प्रचारक, मुख्य कार्यवाह, and etc.
8 was मुख्य शिक्षक.
All obeyed Mukhya Shikshak, although it was against banned in 1975 when there was an emergency in the country.
आरएसएस the शाखा different activities, example samta and yoga and play.
RSS helps to build a good citizen in India.
आंवला जिला प्रचारक धर्मेंद्र कुमार जी।
RSS helps everyone in every tragedy.
RSS most popular in world.
Now, my dear friends, as you have heard from our different participants, different friends about RSS, and you must know that why RSS became the largest organization in the world due to its service, due to patriotism, due to nationalism. We dream Akhand Bharat, and it is sure that if you cooperate RSS and you become the Swayamsevak of the Sakha, you go to Sakha Delhi, our dream will be fulfilled. The day is not far off when India will be united again. Thanks a lot. Very nice.